What's up, mamas? Welcome back to our baby-led weaning friendly recipe. Today I'm back with my good friend Stephanie, and today we're going to be introducing yet another fun and easy recipe for you to try at home with your little one. But before we get going, I want to let you guys know that I've created a completely free PDF for you that breaks down how your baby's oral motor skills are developing month by month. We'll go over, 6 months to 12 months and beyond, so you know how they learn to chew. And this information will help you facilitate successful meal times. So click the link down below for your free copy of the oral motor skills chart. All right, mamas, let's get into it. So Steph's been helping me pick a friendly, healthy, baby-led weaning recipe each week to introduce to your little ones. So Steph, what are we doing today?
Today we're going to be focusing on our coconut banana muffins.
These are so good, you guys.
I chose the banana coconut muffins because they are a crowd favorite. They're absolutely delicious. They're great for breakfast, as a snack, even for desserts. And it has a nice fruit to protein balance. It's tasty and packed full of nutrients.
Yeah.
You're going to want to start with your bananas. You're going to chop them up and put them into the bowl. I like to use pretty ripe bananas because if you use an underripe banana, you'll have a higher starch content, and instead you want a higher bit of a sugar content, and that happens when they start to brown on the outside. So that's going to be better for baking for you. The banana is a great source of potassium, and the coconut flour is going to be a better choice, in my opinion, than all-purpose flour because it's not as refined and it's not going to convert into sugar immediately. So you're going to have a little more of the healthy fat in there, a little protein in there, and it's going to help with the satiety and the fullness factor of your baby and not convert directly into sugar right away. And this is a nice vegetarian option to get a high protein source without the meat.
I love it.
You're going to mix all of the ingredients together until it's a nice smooth puree. And you're going to want to pour those into the individual muffin cups.
So once your muffins come out of the oven, again, you're just gonna wanna break these up into smaller pieces so it's more manageable and you don't have a little one trying to stuff this entire muffin into their mouth. So break it up into pieces that you find to be appropriate size for them to grasp with their fingers so they can enjoy small tastes. As Stephanie mentioned, this is a great recipe to put together for a morning snack, or if you're on the go, pop some into your purse and you have something to give your little one if you guys are out at a restaurant or at a friend's house. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. All right, mamas, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you so much for joining us for this whole baby-led weaning, easy, fun recipe segment that we did together. If you guys like stuff like this, give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I've also got a whole lot of other videos in this playlist for baby-led weaning, so be sure to check those out. Thanks again, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.